Are you ready for adventure? Imagine setting off on a journey where every step you take leads to a new discovery, a new story, and a new experience. Do you dream of vibrant cultures and breathtaking landscapes? Picture yourself wandering through bustling markets filled with colorful fabrics and the aroma of exotic spices, or standing in awe as you gaze upon the majestic Victoria Falls or the towering Mount Kilimanjaro. Then pack your bags and prepare for the journey of a lifetime. Whether you're an experienced traveler or embarking on your first solo trip, Africa offers an unparalleled adventure that will leave you with memories to cherish forever. Africa is calling, and it's the perfect destination for solo travelers seeking something truly extraordinary. From the golden sunsets over the savannah to the warm welcomes from locals, every moment here is filled with wonder. Imagine yourself wandering through ancient Medinas, where every alleyway tells a story of centuries past, and every corner reveals a new facet of history and culture. Gazing at majestic wildlife on the savannah, where lions, elephants, and other magnificent creatures roam freely in their natural habitat, is an experience that will leave you breathless. Or learning the rhythm of traditional dances, immersing yourself in the vibrant music and movements that have been passed down through generations. This is Africa, a continent brimming with life, beauty, and endless opportunities for exploration. From the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert to the lush rainforest teeming with life, every landscape offers a new adventure. Let the spirit of adventure guide you as you embark on a solo journey through this captivating land. Walk through charming villages, meet incredible people, and stand in awe at scenic lookout points that offer breathtaking views. Africa is a continent of diverse landscapes and cultures, offering something for every type of traveler. Whether you're drawn to the mountains, deserts, or the rich cultural traditions, there's something here for everyone. From the bustling souks of Marrakesh, where you can haggle for unique treasures and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere, to the serene beaches of Zanzibar, where the clear blue waters and soft sands offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. There's a place for you to discover. Hidden gems and landmarks await you, each with its own unique story and charm. Embrace the unknown, connect with locals, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Share meals, capture moments, and let the spirit of Africa fill your heart. Africa awaits. Africa is a particularly rewarding destination for solo travelers. The continent offers a unique blend of adventure, culture, and natural beauty that is hard to find anywhere else. From the vast savannas teeming with wildlife to the bustling markets filled with vibrant colors and sounds, Africa promises an unforgettable experience. It's more affordable than you might think, especially if you choose budget-friendly options like community hostels. These accommodations not only save you money, but also provide a social atmosphere where you can meet other like-minded travelers. These hostels are a fantastic way to meet fellow adventurers and share travel tips. Imagine sitting around a communal table, swapping stories about your latest safari or the hidden gems you've discovered off the beaten path. Backpacking routes are well established, making it easy to navigate from one incredible destination to the next. Whether you're exploring the majestic landscapes of Namibia or the historic sites of Ethiopia, you'll find plenty of resources to help you along the way. But Africa's appeal goes beyond affordability. The continent is a treasure trove of diverse cultures and traditions. Each country offers its own unique experiences, from the rhythmic beats of West African music to the intricate beadwork of the Maasai people. It's a continent of warmth and hospitality. The people of Africa are known for their generosity and kindness, often going out of their way to make visitors feel at home. Locals are known for their friendliness and eagerness to share their culture with visitors. Whether you're in a remote village or a bustling city, you'll find that people are more than willing to share their stories and traditions with you. Don't be surprised if you're invited to share a meal, as food is an integral part of African hospitality. Sharing a meal is a way to connect and learn about each other's lives. Learn a few local phrases, as this can go a long way in building rapport and showing respect for the local culture. Even a simple greeting in the local language can open doors to deeper connections, or even join in a traditional dance. Participating in local customs and festivities can provide a richer, more immersive travel experience. This genuine human connection is what makes solo travel in Africa so special. It's these moments of shared humanity that leave a lasting impression and make your journey truly unforgettable. Africa is home to a treasure trove of incredible destinations perfect for solo travelers. From the vast savannas teeming with wildlife to bustling cities rich in culture and history, Africa offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to every type of adventurer. Whether you're seeking solitude in nature or the vibrant energy of urban life, this continent has something for everyone. For a taste of North Africa's magic, head to Marrakesh, Morocco. This city is a sensory overload in the best possible way, with its vibrant colors, exotic scents, and the constant hum of activity. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleyways of the Medina, haggle for spices and souvenirs, and marvel at the intricate architecture of ancient mosques and palaces. The Medina is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's easy to see why. Every corner you turn reveals a new wonder, from the ornate doorways to the bustling market stalls. For a wildlife adventure, Kenya and Tanzania offer unforgettable safari experiences. Imagine waking up to the sounds of the wild, with lions roaring in the distance and elephants grazing nearby. Picture yourself witnessing the incredible spectacle of the Great Migration, where millions of wildebeest and zebras thunder across the plains. This natural phenomenon is one of the most awe-inspiring sights on Earth, and it's a must-see for any wildlife enthusiast. In South Africa, explore the vibrant city of Cape Town, framed by the iconic Table Mountain. This city is a melting pot of cultures, with a rich history and a thriving arts scene. Hike to its summit for panoramic views, sample delicious cuisine, and soak up the city's creative energy. The hike up Table Mountain is challenging but rewarding, with breathtaking views at every turn. Once you reach the summit, you'll be treated to a panoramic view of the city and the surrounding ocean. No trip to Africa is complete without experiencing the awe-inspiring Victoria Falls, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. The sheer power and beauty of the falls are truly breathtaking, and it's an experience that will stay with you forever. Whether you choose to bungee jump, whitewater raft, or simply admire its beauty from afar, Victoria Falls is an experience you won't soon forget. The falls are a playground for adventure seekers, with a range of activities to get your adrenaline pumping. But even if you prefer a more relaxed experience, just standing in the presence of this natural wonder is enough to leave you in awe. Solo travel anywhere requires a degree of caution, and Africa is no different. By following some basic safety tips, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. Before you go, purchase a local SIM card upon arrival. This allows you to stay connected, access maps, and make calls in case of emergencies. It's also wise to avoid walking alone in unfamiliar areas at night. When booking tours or excursions, opt for reputable companies. Ask for recommendations from your accommodation or fellow travelers. Research your destinations thoroughly and be aware of any local customs or practices that might differ from your own. Section 5. Gear up for your African Odyssey. Packing for Africa is all about choosing versatile, lightweight gear that can withstand diverse climates and terrains. A good backpack is essential, allowing you to carry your belongings comfortably. Look for one with breathable straps and compartments for organization. Mosquito repellent is a must-have, especially if you're traveling to areas prone to malaria. It's also a good idea to pack a portable water purifier to ensure access to clean drinking water. Remember to pack for a variety of weather conditions, including hot days, cool nights, and potential rainfall. One of the greatest joys of traveling solo in Africa is encountering the warmth and generosity of its people. From the bustling marketplaces to remote villages, you'll be met with smiles, greetings, and a genuine desire to share their culture. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations, even if you don't share a common language. A simple smile and a few words in the local language can go a long way. Embrace the opportunity to learn about local customs, try traditional foods, and participate in cultural exchanges. You'll find that the connections you make with people along the way are often the most enriching part of the journey. Music and dance are integral parts of African culture, and experiencing them firsthand is a feast for the senses. From the rhythmic drumming of traditional ceremonies to the vibrant energy of Afrobeat clubs, there's a rhythm for every soul. Seek out local performances, attend festivals, or simply listen to the music that fills the streets. Don't be afraid to join in. Many communities welcome visitors to participate in their dances, offering a fun and interactive way to experience the culture. Let the rhythm move you, lose yourself in the moment, and create unforgettable memories. Africa is a continent of breathtaking natural beauty, from the vast savannas to lush rainforests and snow-capped mountains. As a solo traveler, you have the freedom to explore these landscapes at your own pace, soaking in the tranquility and grandeur. Rise early to witness a glorious sunrise over the Serengeti, hike to hidden waterfalls in the Atlas Mountains, or simply find a peaceful spot to observe wildlife in its natural habitat. Whether you're seeking adventure or a moment of quiet reflection, connecting with nature in Africa is an experience that will stay with you long after you return home. Solo travel in Africa is an adventure like no other. It's a chance to challenge yourself, discover new perspectives, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the unknown, pack your bags, and answer the call of Africa. With its welcoming people, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cultures, Africa is ready to welcome you with open arms. Your solo adventure awaits.